Alright, what's good with y'all? Today we're back with another video, and today we're checking out Juice WRLD's vocal preset. First of all, I just want to say RIP Juice WRLD. He was a legend for sure, and we all know that. But yeah, today we're gonna check out his preset. I tried to remake it so it sounds like the song he did with Trippie Redd, 1400999 Freestyle, featuring Juice WRLD. I'm gonna recreate this part, or actually I recreated this part. Wait, it's popping. I'm finna change this shit real quick. Bro, don't crash on me now, please. Oh my fucking god, bro. It literally crashed on me. And also, guys, let me know which artist y'all want me to recreate next, because yeah, it's fun to do, so I can keep on going with this like a series or something. But yeah, here's how the song sounds originally.
I put that bitch in the back of the Burberry on. I put that bitch in the back with the Burberry on. Yeah. I put that bitch in the back with the Burberry on. Yeah. And to this day, that little bitch know all my songs. My chopper like Kid and Play, put a bullet hole in your afro. Walk in the bank, I'm laughing, no. These niggas square like Madison, no. I ball out like Madison, no.
Fuck with the shorty, shoot up your party. I'm a different man when I'm off of the mountain. Take 5 cents out of face in the morning. Now take perks, my stomach turn. Stop taking perks, my stomach burn. Make they get hot when I hit it from the back. I'ma get this shit up like Ike turn. Shake that bitch like she got Nikes on. Look at my wrist, she dance. Look at your wrist, she dance too.
So yeah, that's the part I recreated here, like the beginning and the hook, and then Trippie Redd comes in here. I recreated Juice WRLD's part because somebody said in the comments of some other video that they wanted Juice WRLD's preset, so here we are. And as you can hear, it's really accurate. Of course, I can't achieve the sound like 100% because he uses a really expensive mic compared to me. I have a Rode NT1A. I mean, it works for me, but he's fucking Juice WRLD, so you know. I'm gonna break down the preset real quick. So first of all, of course, we got the auto tune. Every artist uses it. And next up, we got Xvox Pro. This shit does everything, let me tell y'all. It has inbuilt gate and has compression in it, de-esser. This is basically the base of the preset, so yeah. And then we have the F6 RTA stereo. This shit can do dynamic shit, I don't know, but like this shit go to it as well. Yeah, you can copy. I mean, I will leave the preset down below for free, so y'all don't even gotta copy this shit. But yeah, then we got a fab filter, takes out unnecessary frequencies, and then we got a flangus in the end to widen out the vocal. But you don't want to overuse that. It's just like some subtle. I didn't use much of this. And then we got, yeah, that was literally everything. Yeah, I will leave the preset for free, so don't worry, I got y'all. And then on the on the beat, I used a little multi-band compressor here because it gives space for the vocals to sit in the mix better. And then the master, I can give y'all the master too because I took this from a Juice WRLD session. It got leaked from a leaked project from Juice WRLD, so this is literally from him. It requires waves, but you can you can fix that in many ways. That was literally everything for this video. So let me know if y'all want more. I can break down more artists. Like I saw somebody commented that they wanted to see Rocky, ASAP Rocky, so I'm gonna do that next. But yeah, here's the Juice WRLD one, and let me know if y'all want more. Comment what artist you want me to recreate, and I got y'all. So yeah, see y'all in the next vid. Have a good time.